How to change sleep mode settings in Windows 11 on HP notebooks. Sleep mode allows HP notebooks to enter a low power mode while remaining ready for use and keeping your apps running. This video explains how to adjust the sleep mode settings based on your preferences. On your computer, go to the search bar, type Control Panel, and then select it from the results. In the Control Panel search field, type Power Options and then select it from the list. Select the option to change when the computer sleeps. Next, to put the computer to sleep, select the drop-down menu for On Battery or Plugged In. If you don't want your computer to enter sleep mode, select Never. Otherwise, select a time setting when using the battery and when plugged in. Select Save Changes, and your sleep mode settings are applied. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.